Striving for excellence means achieving your personal best, but still improving.
For me, striving for excellence means overcoming adversity in the pursuit of a goal.
Striving for excellence means achieving your goals no matter what comes in your way.
Striving for excellence means always trying your best and not giving up when you face adversity.
Striving for excellence means to me leadership, innovation and creativity.
Putting your best foot forward and knowing that you can always do better.
For me, striving for excellence means not judging your day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. So basically, you're not like swayed by the winds of like success and failure, and instead you just focus on the growing in your life.
It's working the hardest and being the best you can be.
Striving for excellence to me means doing your best until you get what you need.
Striving for excellence means to accomplish what we know we're capable of.
It means working hard and trying my best.
Striving for excellence to me means setting out each day to do your own personal best. Never make being good enough your goal. Always set the bar higher for yourself every day.
It means committing time and effort towards a goal.
Basically, pain's temporary. All of your struggles are very temporary. What you accomplish and what you do is much more important. Not just for you, but for others who are watching you and want to grow themselves.
It means to try your hardest and to get involved and to set realistic goals for yourself.
Striving for excellence means that try harder without giving up. Tell yourself that you can do this and go with the gut.
Striving for excellence is when times get tough or when you have something that you're really struggling with, to look into the future and how it would affect it and to push forward depending on the case.
Striving for excellence means to do what you're most passionate about.
Excellence for me means having a goal and pushing to meet that goal.
Striving for excellence means giving it all that you got and leaving it all out there.
I've always defined striving for excellence by this one quote I live by. Don't quit, suffer now, and live the rest of your life as a champion. Keep moving forward.
Back in the days we wanted everything, Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything, Mama said, don't give up.
Westwood, I want to say hi to everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. I definitely want to give a special congratulations to all those with the academic award winners. What I would like to say to you guys is hard work truly pays off. There are 3 things permanent at a school. Education is number 1. Memories we create and people we help. Academics is so important. Success is not where you end up. Success is where you started from. And I know you guys have worked extremely hard to put yourself in the award show that you're in right now. I just want to say congratulations. Keep working hard. Do not stop. And please keep doing what you're doing. Until next time, thank you.